In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot search suppressed ASINs. The first step is going to be actually identifying which ASINs in your account are search suppressed. And then from there, we'll learn what the missing attribute is, and then show you guys how to actually update it and audit. So the first step is you do see in the main dashboard here that some of the search suppressed ASINs do show up under product performance. But the way I like to do it is every morning, go into your manage inventory. This will only take a minute, and then toggle under listing status. In here, we can actually see search suppressed ASINs, and then sometimes we can also see other restricted ASINs that are taken down for various different reasons. So we'll navigate to search suppressed ASINs, and then as you can see, we currently have two ASINs taken down. To figure out actually what is causing the issue, we'll click on this hyperlink here, and then on the right, we can see that the issue is update the main image to meet the listing guidelines. The main image is missing or incorrect. Please submit a compliant image to lift the search suppression. So what I'm going to do here is I'll submit the first image, and then we'll hit save. And then we'll do the same thing for the second one. It looks like this is a main image issue as well, so we'll submit the main image for this one, and then we'll hit save. These other attributes under here, they aren't tied to the search suppression. These are just some recommendations that Amazon is asking us to fill out, but it's actually nothing that's tied to the search suppressions, although it does look like it. So we're going to submit both these, and then what we'll do is we'll wait 24 hours. In the case where you log in tomorrow morning and these ASINs are still search suppressed, and maybe you even see the main image in the back end, probably two things are happening. One, your main image isn't compliant, where maybe you don't have a white background or you have some other things on there that aren't following policy. Or two, maybe Amazon's just not pushing it through. So if that's the case, what I would recommend there, and what we typically do, is I would just navigate to the case log, and then I would just open up a case, reference the ASIN, reference the date that you updated the attribute, what the suppression actually was, and then talk to a team member, just explain them what's happening and see if they can kind of guide you further. But that's going to be pretty much all of the steps to troubleshoot search suppressed ASINs. Thanks for watching. For help with this or anything else on Amazon, you can reach out to us using the link in the description below.